Alright, so welcome back. It is evening now in Vesterålen. It's quite okay weather. I am expecting some rain. You can see it right over there. There are some clouds with rain coming. I don't know how much it's gonna be, but the radar says it's gonna be rain this evening. But I have jumped into the Lovol 504 because I wanted to test out my latest investment. And this is the rubber scrape that I just received a few days ago. So the rubber scrape has a weight of approx 500 kilos. It is made up by worn out truck tires, and it has a steel plate here in the front that is supposed to dig into the gravel, and the rubber are smoothing it out after. You can adjust how it is floating with these chains here, and I'm excited to test it out. Let's get to it. So the plan was actually to jump on my John Deere LX 188 riding mover and take a second turn on the lawn here, because yesterday I went moving the lawn, but it was 2 weeks since the last time I did it, so I would like to have just a second touch on the lawn just to make it nice and smooth again. But we do have had some rain today, so it's quite wet right now. it's not very warm outside either. We have a cold breeze from the north, and that is always making the temperatures drop. So I think we are about 8-9 degrees right now. So it is a bit cold actually. I'm gonna try to adjust the chains. Because I think the scrape might be deeper down into the gravel. Something like that. Yeah, definitely deeper into the gravel. Okay, so thank you for stopping by here in Vesterålen. If you like this type of videos, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And for now, have a nice evening, everybody.